Hello my lovelies, how are you doing today? Oh, this is a 10 Pfennig coin. From Deutschland, 1971. So, it's a small coin. So I'm going to use a really big punch. What am I talking about? I don't know. Right. Hope everybody's well. Gary, Sarah, Bear, the two Ians. What's going on there? Alan, Paul from Australia. Steve, Claire and Joseph. Hope you're all having a great weekend. I had a great weekend once. Oh, about 1975, I think it was. Right, this is Big Bertha, 20-ton hydraulic press. You don't need this. I just like to make things awkward for myself. Right. Back to the table, which is still pretty clean to be honest. I did make some glass yesterday, but I cleared the glass up. There's just bits of stuff there for my coins, so don't give me too much grief, guys. Right. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for hitting that button for me. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, how about doing it for me? It's free. Costs you nothing. No obligation. I don't make any money out of it. It just helps my channel. So how about showing me a bit of love and affection and maybe hit the like button. And leave a comment. Anything. Say something. Speak to me. Right. This is going to be quite a narrow banded ring. This is going to be a small ring as well. This just cleans up the inside, Christy Burr. Make sure there's no cracks forming or splits. Now that's pretty damn sexy. Right, let's give it a bit of love with Bernie. Bernie the fire starter. Where's Jaws? There he is. I do custom work if you want me to make you a ring for you or one of your friends, or you know. I film the whole process like I'm doing here, put it on YouTube so you get a video as well. All part of the service, you know. Because I love doing it. It certainly ain't for the money, I'll tell you. I'll tell you that for nothing. Right. Let's go to our little jamming block, and I think we're going to want, well, that's quite nice. I like that little design. That's loads of text. Who wants that? You want a bit of leaves and stuff, you know? Yeah, that'll do. We all like some leaves and stuff, don't we, on our rings? Right. Let's go over to Big Red. And give it a bit of the old one too. That's quite good. So now we want a 17-degree folding die. One of these kiddies. I've got to be careful here because there's not a lot of depth. So I put a little bit of jollop in there, a bit of looby-loo. We're just looking to fold this puppy. I think, come on, get with it. Not ain't too bad. Back over to Big Red. Yes. I was a bit worried there. I was thinking it was going to go straight through. But it didn't. So, I just want to clean up the edge, make sure it's nice and clean. There you go. Pretty damn good. So now we go over to Spike. If you're new to the channel, this is Spike. And he's a ring stretcher. And guess what he does? He stretches your ring. So, you put him on there like this. And give a bit of a turn each time. The kitchen roll just protects the inside of the coin, so you don't lose the detail. Otherwise you just end up with a surface with nothing on it. I mean, it's going to be on your finger, you're not going to see it, but it's nice to know it's there, isn't it, you know? If it's there, why lose it? So how's it looking? You see that bow? You've got to get that out. Otherwise, things go a bit sad. Right. I might have to heat this up a bit more. You don't need to split on you. So far, so good. There's still a slight bow in it, see that? So I'll break out Bernie again. Not Ernie, Bernie. Ernie drove the fastest milk cart in the rest. Did you know that? Come on, Steve, you're the expert. When was the fastest milk cart in the rest song knocked out? I'll go for a guess, I'll say 65? I mean, you can check up on Google. But... Right, let's dry it off. And we'll give it a bit more kitchen roll. So as you, the more you work the coin, the harder it gets, so you have to anneal it again and again. Right, how's it looking now? You see, the bow's gone. It's now just cone shaped. So now, we want to straighten the walls up. And for that little game, we go down to the bottom end of Spike. And these are reduction dies. And you want to find one that protrudes a little bit. See, that does fit in there just, but that would probably damage it. So I put a little bit of the old Looby-Loo in there. Is it this one? Yeah. And we shall reduce it. We straighten the walls up. You don't have to go crazy. How's that looking? See them walls? Lovely and straight. I look with my eye. Yeah, that's pretty damn good. So, now then, there is a small lip in there. I don't know if you can see it. That lip gives you a full sizing. So you cut that out. So if you're from Deutschland and you'd like a ring, I've got one. You can even send me your own coins, anyone. Wherever you're from, send me your own coins, I'll turn them into a ring for you. Right, so let's break out. Oh, she's already in here. Let's break out Dave the Dremel. Bloody wires everywhere. Right. This is like quad zero steel on the end of this. It cleans up. It gets the fire scale off. Makes it look gorgeous. you go. Now I personally like this look. Me and Bear and a few others call it the Edwin look. But I will polish it, and if you prefer the Edwin look, I'll just run over it with Kate again, so it's not a big deal. I left, I should admit to this, I left the lid off my polish. There you go. Get the crusty bit off. But first of all, I should have changed Kate for Felton John. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right, sorry about that. Right, let's polish it up a bit. This should come up quite nice. It'll be a narrow banded ring because it's a small coin. I could have used a smaller punch or to make it slightly wider, but it's nice to do different shapes or band widths, you know. Right, what we got? What have we got? It should have come out quite good, I think. I do clear coat my rings as well, so you shouldn't have any allergy problems, or if it does wear off after, you know, 6, 8 months or a year, you can always top it up a little bit with some clear nail varnish. Right, let's get a slightly cleaner cloth. Not much cleaner, but slightly cleaner. Yeah, it's come up nice. Good, yeah. Good. Jesus, sweat, what's going on? Okay. Right, what have we got? This is looking rather sexy. A bit like my thumb, really. Look at it. It's very gorgeous, isn't it? Yeah, I like the pattern. It's very nice. And that's why you use the kitchen roll. You've got the detail on the inside of the ring. It is a size. You always measure from the beaded side of the coin, or milled, because that's the thickest part of the coin. This is a size 8, I call it 8.5. In between 8.5 and 8 3/4. I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller. It fits this finger absolutely perfect. So I'd like to thank my latest subscribers again, and hope you're all having a great weekend. Keep smiling, and yeah, hit the like button for me. Come on, show me some bloody love, you lot out there. And I'll catch you all on the next one. So bye bye.